Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll share. When it comes to the first layer of protection for a website, using an SSL, Secure Socket Layer certificate, is essential. SSL helps protect incoming and outgoing data on a website through encryption. This method ensures that website data remains secure from potential data theft. There are two types of SSL, free and paid. Free SSL is generally sufficient to secure a website, but what are the differences between free and paid SSL? Differences between free and paid SSL. After understanding the importance of SSL for websites, it's important to know that SSL is divided into two categories: free SSL, such as Let's Encrypt, and paid SSL, such as Alpha SSL. Here are some key differences between them. 1. Price. The most obvious difference between free and paid SSL is the cost. Free SSL, such as Let's Encrypt, does not require an annual subscription fee, whereas paid SSL comes with a relatively high annual cost. 2. Higher security level. Free SSL typically provides basic validation, such as domain validation, DV, which offers the lowest level of protection. On the other hand, paid SSL offers higher validation levels, such as organization validation, OV, and extended validation, EV. Paid SSL also provides stronger encryption algorithms that are harder to breach. 3. Customer support. Free SSL options like Let's Encrypt do not offer customer service or technical support. This means that if you encounter issues with installation, management, or renewal, you won't have access to customer support. In contrast, paid SSL certificates come with 24/7 customer support. Free SSL is suitable for websites with low traffic, such as personal websites or blogs. However, if you have a business or e-commerce website, opting for a paid SSL is a better choice as it provides higher security levels and customer support to assist you in case of any issues. If you need SSL certificate or other security solution, visit our website below. We are here to help protect your data and secure your website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on website security and everything tech related.